All right, so I'm here in the south side and I was just perusing the snack aisle to see if I can find Dunkaroos, and you'll never believe what I found. Check it out. They have a whole stand of them. Look. There's a little bit of tuna in there too, but look at all these. So I'm gonna grab 4 of them, and then whenever I get home, I'm gonna open some up and give them a try and see if they're as good as I remember. Stay tuned.
Hello everybody. So I'm back home. I recruited Josh to do a taste test with me. So here's what the packaging looks like. Let me get up close. Dunkaroos. Just standard packaging, I guess. 190 calories per serving, and how many servings are in here? 1 tray with frosting. Can't be it. So here's the peel.
It's keto, right?
Yeah, keto. And here's what it looks like. Look at that. You got your little crackers. I don't see too many sprinkles in your icing, do you? Oh, you got some.
Several.
And you have to lick the top of it because you gotta get all that icing. No calorie gone uneaten. The icing's really good, just like I remember. Got that vanilla creamy icing.
They call that labelingus.
That's real nice. All right, so our crackers have the standard Dunkable D. What are these called? Dunkables? No. Dunkaroos. Why am I calling them Dunkables? Dunkaroo D. Is that backwards? There you go.
Someone hasn't read their instruction manual.
All right, so I'm gonna try to mix this up and see if I can see some sprinkles. What do you think? What are your first impressions? Very tasty. Here we go. Just like I remember it. Got a nice vanilla cracker. Here I found some sprinkles. There we go. It's nice that these are only 190 calories. What do you think? Think that's fair for a dessert? Cool. Yeah, so there it is. Dunkaroos. Why am I calling them Dunkables? Is Dunkables a thing? Do you remember that?
No.
I don't remember that either. Apparently I do though. Very good. I remember we didn't have these too often, but I remember my buddy Chris Lowe used to have them all the time. He was such a huge fan. And I saw on the internet, they just had a merch drop. You can get watches, you could get t-shirts, some jackets like raincoat things, all kinds of stuff. But again, I found these at the Giant Eagle down in Southside. They had a whole smorgasbord, whole plethora of them, just in a stand, just waiting there. I was expecting like a guard or somebody to kind of fend me off because people are swarming the place for them, but they weren't. So go check them out.
You serious?
Yeah, they're hard to come by. I think initially they launched just at 7-Eleven, but all the 7-Elevens I've been to, I couldn't find them. So I went down Giant Eagle, and just by chance, I happened to see them. Anyway, highly recommend it. Gotta douse it with icing. And enjoy.
Next up are shots of insulin.
Thanks for watching.